our giant piece of slime putty mix. What do you think, Ryan? Good, looks pretty cool, huh?
Oh, I think the noise is from the top part.
Oh. What color is that one, Kate? Good job. Whoa. Guys, we're almost done. We have a few left.
Kaji
family.
Hi everybody, today we're gonna mix a whole bunch of slime together to make a giant color.
Yeah, so we got these silly mega flare noise putty here. Got a whole bunch, giant size, different color. Got green, got blue and pink Ryan put on top there. And we got some colorful ones too. So rainbow slime. This one is like, it says silly slug toxic slime. And yeah, some more rainbow color.
Is this oil slime?
I don't know what it is. We're gonna open it and find out, okay? Let's try one of these giant one because it says it's supposed to make noise. So yeah, let's see.
Pink, cause it, oh, this is actually purple. Yeah. See that?
Ooh. How do we make noise?
I don't know.
Whoa, it's a lot of slime though. Look, Ryan's still pulling it out. Mega slime.
Even more.
Ooh, oh. Supposed to make noise. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No noise. All right, we have to add in our own sound effect, Ryan. You ready? 1, 2, 3.
No, stop. Stop putting sound effects.
Do you guys hear the noise?
Funny.
I'm gonna pull out the green one, and Ryan's going to put out. Whoa! Mix green and red. Whoa, yeah, green and pink together.
Oh, yours looks like a unicorn shape.
It does. Mix it together. Looks like watermelon flavor.
Hey, Mommy, I learned something.
What?
Did you know that pink is pretty much the same thing as red? Because if you put pink and blue, it makes purple.
Do you know how to get pink? Red and
white.
Good job.
That's why it's the same thing as red, because white isn't really a color, it's just a color that has no color.
Yeah, absent of color. Yeah.
I think it'll make a color.
Yeah, it's okay.
I don't know why it's not mixing, but...
Whoa. Okay, let's put in the blue one. Let's see what it looks like with the blue color.
You see this?
Yeah.
It's the cap, right?
Uh-huh.
It's really the slime, it's not the cap. Feel it, feels a lot different.
Does it? Oh, it makes noise. You guys hear the noise? Whoa, there it is. Emma Kate's gonna want to play with this for sure. What? It's heavy. Ooh, oh, let's see if I can reach you. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Catch it! Whoa! Whoa! Wow. Okay, we're gonna add more. You want toxic slime? Okay.
Wait, isn't this regular slime? Whoa!
Is it toxic?
It actually smells good. Here, smell it.
Okay.
Guys, go buy the toxic slime and then smell it for yourself.
Toxic slime, all right. Whoa.
On the pink, there's green.
Oh yeah.
What's this? What? Oh, let me see now.
Well, it just peels right
It
off.
turns green.
Oh yeah.
Toxic spray.
Ooh, you ready to open up one of these glitter ones?
Oh yeah.
Which glitter one you want to open? The rainbow one?
This
That one?
Of course.
Whoa.
There's no cap except for that.
Yeah. Whoa, it's like a chunk Ryan just put in.
Oh, Mommy, this is gonna be hard.
Okay.
And you know how they put them all together?
Ooh, oh, so this is 3 different containers. Okay, so we're gonna continue except Emma Kate's home. Hi.
Emma Kate, you want slime?
Oh, and I got more slime. See, more slime. Woo. There you go, put it in. Put it in.
Oh, there's one.
Here you go. 1, 2, 3.
It won't work.
Wah!
Oh, Daddy, Daddy.
Whoa, that's cool.
You did it! Wow, Emma did it! Okay, you need help?
Yeah.
Go, Kate. All right.
Let me open it.
Okay. Whoa. Oh, Emma got it. Whoa. Good job, Emma. Whoa. What color is that one?
Pink.
Good. Good job, Kate. Oh, look, Kate's coming out. Whoa. That's cool.
I got all those colors from
So that's what we have so far, a giant puddle. So we're mixing putty and slime together. This looks pretty cool. Whoa.
I got my blue one here.
Yeah, you got more blue. Oh, thank you, Ryan. Our giant piece of slime putty mix. What do you think, Ryan? Good, looks pretty cool, huh?
Oh, I think the noise is from the top part.
Oh. What color is that one, Kate? Good job. Whoa. Guys, we're almost done. We have a few left. Ooh, Ryan got the green one. Ooh, good job on that blue one, Emma. Whoa. Whoa. It's a lot of slime and putty, Ryan. You want black one? All right, here it is. Green for Emma. Whoa. Whoa, so there's black here. Keep falling, huh? We need somebody to help mix it together.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh, so many different colors. Wait. Yeah, and I can smell.
You can smell it?
Wait, you want to see something super cool?
What?
Look, Daddy, look. Under the black.
Ooh, galaxy.
Oh, that is
Galaxy
cool. Wow.
Whoa!
Roll it.
Roll it. Go, Emma. Go, Kate.
Sushi chef.
Go, Ryan. Sushi chef.
Daddy, mine's
Burrito.
bigger. Mine's bigger.
Let's see what it looks like.
Daddy, my burrito is bigger.
Ooh,
What does it look like inside?
looks like this, the rainbow.
Oh, that looks
See
kind of
my
cool.
burrito? I'm gonna break my burrito.
Did you get it? Need help? What does it look like on the inside of this burrito piece? Whoa.
Oh, whoa, look at this. I like that.
Daddy,
Layers
look
of
at
different
this.
colors.
Look at this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Wow, that looks really
Very
cool. Okay, guys, what do you think about our mix
Daddy, I
and
have
slime?
galaxy. I have portal galaxy.
He does look like Galaxy. Whoa, that is pretty. Look at that.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Magical.
So I guess ours was really good, huh? We did a good job. The only thing I didn't like was the black
Daddy,
color.
you need green and purple to make galaxy.
Oh, really? I'm just making a bowl like this.
Okay,
The slime ball.
slime ball.
And then we throw that mommy at the
What? No.
Throw this.
Looks like a dumpling. You trying to make a dumpling?
That's what you feel like if you're a dumpling chef.
It looks like
Very
you're.
jiggly.
Does it feel like dough when you're making a piece of bread?
Yeah.
Looks like something is inside. Ew, like
Yeah, it
a
is.
toxic.
Toxic?
toxic
Maybe it's a chocolate, okay?
Oh.
Maybe not.
Yeah. Okay, guys, what do you think about our slime video? Thank you so much for watching.
Let's turn up mommy.
Bye.
And remember, always stay happy and rise up. Bye. Yeah.
No, no. Well, I'm gonna slime Ryan. Bye.
Hi guys, today we're doing slime challenge. I'm gonna win.
So it's gonna be Ryan versus Mommy, but this time is going to be the no bowl, no spoon, no container challenge. So we actually have to just put all our slime ingredients on this table and mix it with our hands. You guys let us know in the comments below who create the better slime. You judge, okay? Do you think Ryan's gonna win or Mommy's gonna win?
This is way too hard.
Yeah, we have this really cool spinny wheel here. We're gonna
Mommy.
spin the wheel and it tells us the ingredients that we're gonna use. Hopefully we have all the ingredients we need to make slime because if you don't get glue, you can't make the slime.
What if we get the activator first?
Well, if you get the activator first, we pour it and it's gonna be blah all over the table. So good luck with that. I will let you spin the wheel first, Ryan.
I can make my slime of 3D.
Maybe.
I'm going this side.
What is Ryan gonna get? Whoa, glitter! Oh, wow, okay. Well, here's glitter, Ryan.
I can't. Why glitter first? Why? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, super messy. Oh no.
Hey,
Ryan,
Mommy.
you're on my
You want this?
side.
You want this?
No.
Here you go.
Your
Here you
slime is on mommy's side. No.
Wait,
Wait, can I share your glitter then?
the purple stuff, yeah.
Purple. Okay, while Ryan's doing that, mommy's gonna spin. Let's see, hopefully it's gonna be glue. No way! I got glue. Okay, there's so
Mommy
many
didn't
color
even
glue
cheat.
to choose from. I know, I did it. So many colors, Ryan. So many colors. What color glue should I choose?
Oh, I know what you should choose.
What?
You should probably choose this one, look.
Blue? Okay, I do love this really cool blue color, so I'm gonna use this one here. Since we have no bowl, I'll have to dump the slime on the table, okay? 1, 2, 3! Oh!
I'm giving Mommy some sparkly
Thank you,
stuff.
Ryan. I think so far my slime is better than Ryan. It's Ryan's turn.
Yay.
Let's see what Ryan's gonna get. He's gonna need some glue. So let's see if he can get some glue.
3, 2, 1, go.
Is it gonna be glue?
No!
Oh, wow! Good job, Ryan. What color would you like? Pink?
No!
Black glue, that's kind of cool too. Red glue, that's pretty cool. Yellow glue.
Wait, but Mommy, what if I land
Purple glue.
Mommy, what if I land on glue again so that when I use black, it goes out forever?
Maybe, yeah. What color?
Purple.
Purple, okay. All right, purple glue it is.
I'm gonna pour this in a different spot because I'm gonna do something.
You're gonna mix
I'm gonna
it
be
later?
smart. Yeah!
You got the string? You got your red Titan string?
No, I don't. I'm not red Titan right now.
Good job.
Now I'm gonna be smart.
Wow. Ah, stop blowing it to me. It is my turn, okay? Let's see what I get. I need activator to make slime, okay?
No, you don't.
Activator.
You don't need activator yet.
Activator.
You have to color it.
Another glue. Oh, this is so exciting. What goes good with blue?
Wait, red.
Pink.
No, red goes good with blue.
No, I want pink. Right here, beside it. Whoa.
Red goes really good with blue.
Okay, Ryan, it is your turn. Let's see if you can beat Mommy.
Yep, I can beat you, Mommy. 3, 2, 1. Yeah!
That mold magic. Okay.
Magic.
Here you go. So fill it. It's like foamy.
Here you go, Mommy.
Woo! Here you go. This is Ryan's Play-Doh or foamy stuff you gotta mix in.
Oh, no.
That's what you get.
No.
Yes.
Here you
go. No cheating.
Can I have the big spoon?
That is this no spoon challenge, so.
Nope. Four.
My turn. Let's see, activator.
Nope. Oh.
Purple sequins? Whoa, look how pretty this is, you guys.
Hello, I have the same thing.
Okay, you know what? I have more. Look at this. I have more.
Wait, and it's bigger, Mommy.
No, all right, mix it in with my slime.
No, give me
Whoa,
that.
Look how
Give
pretty
me that.
mine look.
Give me
Ryan,
that.
you're stealing my
Give me
stuff.
Yeah.
You need to mix yours in.
No. No. Now it's round 4. And Mommy, since you gave me your stuff, you're so nice, I'm gonna give you this. Ooh.
No.
Yeah.
Whoa! Glue again? Okay, Ryan. So this time we have yellow, red, or a really cool black one. Which one?
Yellow.
Yellow? Okay.
Uh-oh. Wait! Yeah! I'm done. What do you guys think?
They kind of look good together. The gold and the purple looks really good.
I really want to mix it in, but at the same time,
Not yet. We're gonna wait to the end and then just mix it together. Mommy's turn for round 4. Let's see what I get.
Yeah.
That's yours, Ryan.
Yeah.
Let's see what I get. Glitter! Oh, look at this beautiful glitter.
Mommy, mine looks like puke.
Well, you're losing then because mine is beautiful.
Okay.
No! No! Get your slime to yourself. Mine's
No.
beautiful.
No.
You're ruining my slime.
No. Round 5. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa. I get here? Oh, hopefully something good.
Pom-pom.
Pom-poms, thank you. Oh, Ryan's doing it for me. Wow, these are really cool. Both a lot. That's way too many pom-pom, Ryan.
No, it's not.
Way too many.
There's never enough.
That's like a mountain of pom-poms.
There's never enough.
Never enough pom-poms. Okay, guys, last round. We are both missing one key ingredient.
Yep.
What is it?
Activator.
Well, we both need activators, so let's just please for activators, okay?
Please.
All right, Ryan, go ahead. Let's see if Ryan gets the activator. What?
I got liquid starch.
Wow, good job. All right, so here it is, your liquid starch.
Oh no.
It's liquid, so you better be careful. Whoa, you're gonna need enough, Ryan.
Do you think I have enough yet?
Maybe. I think that's enough. It's running. It's spilling.
No,
it's spilling.
No. Mommy, you messed it up.
Sorry.
My wonderful slime.
Sorry.
You shall not pass.
So Ryan, use gloves. It is dripping all over. Okay, so Ryan's doing that. I'm gonna spin the wheel to see if I can get some activators too. Please, activator! I can't believe I got activator too, but I got a different one. This is
Wonderful.
shaving cream. There it is.
Shave
some
your
shaving
face?
cream, that's right. You can put on your face or you can use it to make slime. Slime time, woo! Who do you guys think have a better slime so far, Ryan?
Oh no.
Oh.
My puke slime.
Yeah, or mommy, let's mix it in.
Mommy's
Wow.
unicorn throw up in my puke.
Mine is not. Oh, guys, mine is just like marshmallow or something. Guys, this doesn't look like slime. Did I mess up?
Oh no, that's not slime.
It just looks like shaving cream. You know what?
I won.
No, okay, did Ryan win or not?
Yes, all you have is nothing.
Would you play with Ryan's slime or my slime?
I would play with it.
I'm gonna try to see if I can fix my slime. I'm gonna need some liquid starch, okay? But my hand is super dirty. So. I don't know what happened.
How'd you do that?
Sorry. See if I can mix in some Ryan's liquid starch
It
there.
doesn't work.
Is that gonna work?
No.
Come on, slime. Slime. It's not working, you guys. So I think I did not win the slime challenge unless you guys think mine is cool. It is kind of cool, right? Right?
No,
right?
No, block, gloves, block. No, get your own. Buy your own.
The glove fell off. Ryan's glove fell off. Oh, we messed up on our slime, but.
Guys, what if it looks amazing when the two worst slime mixed together?
Yes. Oh, I think it's working. I think this is slime. Guys, this is super slime.
Yeah, that's super slime.
Ryan, I think our slime is a success. What do you guys think? It's mixing with Ryan's glove. Ryan, I can't even tell where your glove is. Thank you for watching our no bowl, no spoon challenge. Okay? So
Slime challenge.
Slime challenge. Thank you. Who do you think won? Mommy or Ryan? Okay?
Me.
Let us know.
No, we both won.
We both.
Mix.
Yeah. All right. For now, bye.
Today, my mommy and daddy are doing the super slime challenge.
Super slime challenge.
A lot of slime here.
Yeah, there are a lot of containers here.
Yeah, and whoever does the best slime creation wins.
Oh, it's on, Daddy. I gotta win this time. I never win,
I
so.
see you with my eyes.
Let the slime challenge begin. We're gonna see who can create the better slime, and Ryan's gonna judge. You guys, comment down below who create the better looking art slime, okay?
Oh, those kind of challenges I always win. So.
We will see, we will see. All right, so since you think you're so good, I'll let you pick the first color. So many different choices.
I know, if you mix two colors, sometimes it doesn't do well. I'll pick yellow.
Yellow, are
I
you
think
sure?
yellow could go with many colors.
Okay.
Let's pour out some yellow slime. Ah, yellow slime, but oops, I spilled some.
Oh, you keep spilling it on the table. You're wasting good slime.
Sorry. And then pour in here.
It is my turn. What color should I choose? There's so many colors to choose from.
Maybe I should clean up first.
Yeah, here you go. I think I'm gonna use pink, okay? Who doesn't like pink
I was gonna
slime?
get pink too.
Too bad. Pink slime. What do you guys think?
No.
Pink slime.
Don't spill
I'm
like
not
I
gonna
did.
spill it. I'm gonna be super duper
Oh,
mucho
wow,
careful.
good job, good job.
Thank you. Look at this. Whoa. Wow. In comes pink. Look at this.
Ah.
Pink. Oh, that's so pretty.
Let's some activator.
And so this is like a very special slime where you don't need glue.
That's perfect.
Okay, yeah.
Let's add some activator.
Whoa.
And then mix it up. Ooh, I already can feel. It's becoming slime. Ooh.
That's cool.
Yee.
All right, my turn. Activator in. Are you ready for some instant slime? Woo, whoa, already slime, look at this.
Yeah, ooh.
That is super cool. Whoa.
Ugh.
So here's my pink slime so far. So far, who's winning?
You can't tell? Mine's like a little too solid.
I was just kidding.
Don't not my face.
What second color do you want to choose?
I'm gonna pick orange.
Okay. You think that's a good choice? Let us know.
Careful, be careful. Okay,
Done.
good. For the orange into the ball. Ooh.
Nice. I don't know, so many choices. I'm gonna go with blue. What do you guys think, right?
Blue?
Blue.
Pink and blue?
Pink and blue. Yeah, what's wrong with pink and blue?
You okay? Ooh, you're so strong.
Yeah.
Ah, too much, too much.
I've been working out, not really. Been working out with just holding the slime.
Ooh.
So now for the activator.
Slowly, slowly.
Again, using my magical hands here.
The
to
magical
mix.
hand.
It needs my hand to mix it together too. Oh, it's so squishy. Look at this.
Ooh. It's okay. It's dripping,
It's
dripping,
your
dripping.
fault,
No,
it's
no, 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 to mine. My turn. Whoop. No, don't mix your color. The blue and the orange doesn't go together. Oh no, mine's still liquidy. Oh no, no, not my head. No, no. I felt it, I felt it.
Well, this is really good slime. Look at this.
Oh, it's so solid. Oh, don't drop it. You keep dropping it.
Sorry.
Pay attention. Hey! Mixed it with my color.
Here's mine so far. I got pink and blue that's mixed with Sean's orange.
Are you gonna smash it together?
Well, later. We're gonna smash them all later, okay? So we need one more color. What color are you gonna pick?
Ooh, I'll pick pink.
Pink?
Yeah. Alright, now it's time for the third color, which is pink for me.
I'm gonna use clear.
What?
Okay? So because it's clear, we can put food coloring and make it any color. So we're gonna test it out to see what it's like.
Wow,
okay?
that's not fair.
It's so heavy.
Ugh.
Ooh, nice. It's so heavy. Woo! Oh, it's not clear. It's like pink from yours.
Not my fault.
So I have my batch of food coloring here. I don't know
Why
what.
don't you mix like 2 colors?
Ooh, what color should I use? There's pink. There's blue.
Ooh.
There's yellow.
Ooh.
What color should I choose? There's orange.
Ooh.
I'm gonna use blue and red together because blue and red makes purple. So I'm gonna have purple slime.
Ooh.
Beat that.
Don't add too much. Just 2 drops.
Okay.
Yeah. It needs to be perfect.
Boop.
Okay.
Oh,
I think you put too much.
did I put too much?
Maybe.
Well, we'll see.
Oh
Oh no, it's too dark.
No, I think it's coming purple. I can see purple.
It's too dark.
Yeah, you put too much.
Activator. Wow.
It is purple. Yeah.
It is. Doesn't look. It's like slush.
Oh.
It's like slushy.
And it's clear color.
Look at this. Whoa.
Oh, I actually like it. Good job.
Are you sure you're not
Yeah.
just saying this?
Activator time. Zoom. Mix it with a hand, as usual.
Sorry.
Messy.
This is my purple so far. What do you guys think? I think it's a little bit too dark. It doesn't have the neon color as the others. right?
Yeah, but you're gonna mix it with other colors. So
Yeah.
it's okay. Yeah, look at that, the pink color coming out nice. Ah! Hey! It's okay, you're just jealous because mine came out so nice.
Yeah, it looks really nice.
Yeah, I can stretch it a little bit too now. Oh!
Guys,
Whoa.
look at our glowing. Look at this. Whoa.
That's pretty cool. Look at mine.
Whoa, look at that. All
Wow.
yeah, the color glows. That's so cool.
It looks like a lava. Oh, it's hot, 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 hot. I like the green one. It looks like a nuclear.
Yeah. Let's turn back on the lights. Here for the fun part. We're gonna smash our slime together, and you guys let us know who create the better looking slime, okay?
Mine's gonna be the one pink and orange.
I'm gonna use pink and blue.
It's fun just squishing it. Ugh.
Yeah. What do you guys think so far? It looks like a snot.
Ah, it's dripping. Hold it, hold it, hold it.
Now for the third color, I'm gonna put in my purple. I don't want to. The purple doesn't look good with it.
Oh, it's not gonna look good.
Yeah. What do you guys think? Am I winning? Sorry.
Ah, am I dripping? Still dripping. Ah,
Oh,
whoa.
Be careful when you're swinging it.
Whoa. Ah, don't punch it, don't punch it. It's not for punching. Or I'm mixing it with yellow.
You can roll it on the table.
It's bouncing. Boing, boing, boing. Oh, boing, 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 boing. Oh, boing, 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 boing.
Oh, look at this. Oh, my slime is super long. Look at this. Wow.
Yeah.
What do you guys think about my super long slime?
It looks like a kind of like a galaxy space color.
It does, doesn't it? It looks like I'm in space. It is kind of cool. You know what's so cool about these? If you let it sit overnight, it's gonna create a really cool looking art piece.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Can I make a shape?
Yes, so we're gonna make a cool shape right now and then come back tomorrow, okay? So we let our slime dry for a couple days, and this is what it looks like. Some cool slime art here.
I don't know about cool.
You don't know about cool? You don't think this is cool?
You guys made like pretty much nothing.
We worked so hard on this.
Yeah, all our color just kind of smashed together. So we actually had 3 colors, Ryan. I actually used pink, purple, and blue, and then it came out.
And the strongest color was purple.
Yeah, and Daddy actually used 3 different colors too.
No, mine was yellow, orange, and pink.
Yeah.
Oh, that means the orange was the strongest.
No, everything just became orange.
Okay, so who won? I know it's so hard to judge this one.
First, let's see who's more breakable.
Oh no, don't break
No,
it.
don't break the
This is
slime,
the art
no.
piece.
Ah.
No.
One. Well.
Daddy!
Yeah.
No, Daddy won!
Thank you.
What's wrong with mine? Mine looks cool.
Yeah, what was the winning point of this one?
Yeah, why did Daddy beat mine?
Because I can barely see anything.
The way the shape is?
You like the Daddy shape one better? It looks kind of like a fidget spinner.
Oh yeah!
Ah, it's not meant to spin.
Thank you for watching. Bye!
Bye! Let us know who created the better slime for real. Bye!
Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.
Oh, where's Ryan? Where's Ryan?
Ha! Bye bye.